Why are there not more people talking about pollution? Pollution is everywhere, from the air we breathe to the water we drink. Industrial waste, oil spills, and everyday activities leave behind contamination. Traditional cleanup methods often shift the problem rather than solve it. We need a smarter solution to clean up our world.
Welcome to TJ Studies and Plays. Remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel and leave comments with more suggestions.
Pause 2S. Before we dive deeper into bioremediation, let's explore some specialized techniques that make this process incredibly effective. Pause 2S. First we have microorganisms are used to extract valuable metals like gold, copper, and uranium from ores and waste. For example, oxidizes sulfide minerals, releasing metals in soluble forms. This technique is particularly useful in mining sites to recover metals and clean up contaminated areas. Pause 2S. Next is, here, dead or inactive biomass such as algae, fungi, and bacteria absorb and bind heavy metals or dyes from contaminated water. For instance, algal biomass is often used to clean up lead and mercury in wastewater. This method is cost-effective and the biosorbent materials can be reused multiple times. Pause 2S. Another powerful method is the use of. These are controlled environments, often in tanks or vessels, that optimize conditions for microbial degradation of pollutants. An example is anaerobic bioreactors, which treat wastewater containing high organic loads. This approach is highly efficient and can be customized for specific pollutants. Pause 2S. Then there's which combines plant roots and rhizosphere root-associated microbes to degrade pollutants. Willows and poplars, in collaboration with soil bacteria, are known to degrade petroleum hydrocarbons in contaminated soil. Pause 2S. Lastly, we have microbial communities in marine environments are harnessed to degrade oil spills and other pollutants. For instance, is effective at degrading hydrocarbons in seawater, making it invaluable for cleaning up oil tanker spills and offshore drilling leaks. Pause 2S. These specialized techniques highlight the versatility and potential of bioremediation. Now let's take a closer look at how these methods work in practice. Pause 2S. Let's explore some notable bioremediation projects that have made a significant impact around the globe. Pause 2S. First, we have the Hudson River PCB cleanup in the USA. Here, the pollutant is polychlorinated biphenyls, or PCBs. The method used is in situ bioremediation, utilizing naturally occurring bacteria. The outcome? A reduction in PCB concentrations, leading to improved water quality and ecosystem health. Pause 2S. Next, we turn to Sudan, where oil contamination in desert regions posed a severe environmental threat. The solution implemented was biostimulation, using nitrogen and phosphorus fertilizers to enhance microbial degradation. The result was a successful restoration of oil-affected areas, showcasing the power of bioremediation even in challenging environments. Pause 2S. Lastly, let's look at the Ganga River pollution in India. This iconic river faced pollutants from industrial and agricultural runoff. The approach combined phytoremediation with aquatic plants like water hyacinths and microbial bioremediation to target organic and heavy metal contaminants. This multifaceted strategy has been instrumental in mitigating pollution and rejuvenating the river's health. Pause 2S. These projects highlight the global reach and effectiveness of bioremediation in tackling diverse environmental challenges. Let's delve into the fascinating world of bioremediation in extreme environments. First, the polar regions. Here, psychrophilic or cold-loving microbes like Microbacter and Arthrobacter are employed to remediate oil spills in the frigid Arctic and Antarctic conditions. The challenge? These microbes grow slowly due to the extreme cold, making the cleanup process more prolonged but nonetheless effective. In desert environments, the story shifts to halophilic or salt-loving bacteria and fungi. These resilient organisms, such as the Halomonas species, are used to degrade pollutants in arid, high salinity surroundings. For example, Halomonas species play a crucial role in oil degradation in desert oil fields, showcasing the adaptability of bioremediation methods. Lastly, we explore deep-sea environments. Here, high-pressure adapted bacteria like Oleospira antarctica target hydrocarbon pollution from deep-sea drilling operations. These microbes thrive under the immense pressures of the deep sea, breaking down pollutants that would otherwise pose significant threats to marine ecosystems. These examples highlight the versatility and resilience of bioremediation techniques, even in the most extreme conditions on our planet. Bioremediation is not just about leveraging nature's existing toolkit, it's also about innovating and enhancing these natural processes. Let's explore some advanced innovations in bioremediation. First, CRISPR technology. Genetic editing tools like CRISPR are used to enhance the metabolic capabilities of microbes for breaking down pollutants. Imagine engineering bacteria to degrade microplastics or synthetic chemicals like PFAS, also known as per- and polyfluoroalkyl substances. This cutting-edge technology allows us to tailor microbial abilities to tackle some of the most persistent pollutants. Next, synthetic biofilms. Artificial biofilms are engineered to contain microbial communities that specifically target pollutants. These biofilms have practical applications in wastewater treatment plants and industrial effluent management. By creating a concentrated, effective microbial environment, we can significantly improve the efficiency of pollutant degradation. Lastly, biocatalysts. This approach involves using isolated enzymes rather than whole organisms to accelerate pollutant degradation. For example, enzymes like lacases are employed to break down dyes and lignin in wastewater. These biocatalysts offer a precise and powerful means of addressing specific pollutants. These advanced innovations are pushing the boundaries of what bioremediation can achieve, making it a more versatile and powerful tool for environmental cleanup. Bioremediation is not just an ecological win, it also brings significant economic and societal benefits. First, cost savings. Bioremediation is typically 50 to 75% cheaper than traditional methods like incineration or landfill. For example, treating oil-contaminated soil in situ avoids transportation and disposal costs, making it a financially viable option for large-scale cleanups. Next, job creation. The growth in environmental cleanup projects has led to increased employment opportunities in bioremediation research, implementation and monitoring. This sector is creating jobs and driving innovation in environmental sciences. Public health benefits are another critical aspect. Bioremediation reduces exposure to harmful contaminants, decreasing risks of diseases like cancer or neurological disorders associated with heavy metals and toxins. Cleaner environments lead to healthier communities. Finally, ecosystem restoration. Bioremediation restores biodiversity and soil health, improving the sustainability of agricultural and natural landscapes. This not only helps in maintaining ecological balance, but also supports local economies dependent on healthy ecosystems. These multifaceted benefits underscore the importance of bioremediation, making it a valuable tool for both environmental and societal well-being. The future of bioremediation holds exciting prospects that could revolutionize how we tackle pollution. Imagine microbial robots or biobots, where microbial cells are embedded in microrobots to target and clean up pollutants in hard-to-reach areas like deep aquifers or pipelines. This could open up new frontiers in environmental cleanup. Another groundbreaking area is bioremediation in space. Researchers are exploring the use of microbes to clean up waste in extraterrestrial habitats such as Mars missions. This could be a game changer for long-term space exploration and habitation. Moreover, bioremediation is being enhanced for carbon sequestration. By optimizing microbial processes, we can capture and store carbon dioxide more effectively, helping to combat climate change. Lastly, bioremediation is paving the way for a circular economy. By converting bioremediation byproducts like biomass into bioenergy, fertilizers, or even bioplastics, we can create sustainable solutions that benefit both the environment and the economy. These advancements highlight the incredible potential of bioremediation, promising a cleaner and more sustainable future for all. Several key organizations and research initiatives are driving the advancement of bioremediation. The United Nations Environment Programme, UNEP, advocates for bioremediation as a crucial part of global pollution mitigation efforts. Their initiatives aim to integrate bioremediation into environmental policies worldwide. The National Institutes of Health, NIH, funds extensive research on microbial processes for toxin degradation. This research is essential for understanding how to harness microorganisms to effectively break down pollutants. The U.S. Environmental Protection Agency, EPA, plays a pivotal role in developing guidelines and supporting bioremediation projects across the United States. Their efforts ensure that bioremediation techniques are both effective and safe for widespread use. These organizations and initiatives are crucial in driving the field of bioremediation forward, ensuring that innovative solutions are developed and implemented to tackle pollution on a global scale. In the realm of bioremediation, innovation's key. Let's explore some groundbreaking case studies that showcase the power of this technology. First, plastic-eating microbes. The bacterium Ideonella sakiensis has the remarkable ability to degrade PET plastics. This discovery offers a promising solution to the global plastic pollution crisis, turning waste into harmless byproducts. Next, we have microbial electrochemical cells. These systems generate electricity while simultaneously breaking down organic pollutants in wastewater. It's a win-win, providing clean energy and cleaner water. Lastly, biochar-enhanced bioremediation combines biochar with microbes to improve pollutant absorption and degradation rates in soils. This technique enhances the efficiency of soil cleanup, making it more effective and sustainable. These case studies highlight the incredible potential of bioremediation innovations to address some of our most pressing environmental challenges. Thank you for watching. This means a lot to me. Please support my channel by subscribing. If you like this, leave a comment with new ideas. Fortunately, nature offers a powerful ally, microorganisms. These tiny organisms break down pollutants into harmless substances. Bioremediation harnesses their power for environmental cleanup. Instead of harsh chemicals, it relies on these natural recyclers. This sustainable approach protects our planet for future generations. The world of microorganisms is incredibly diverse. Bacteria, fungi, and algae each have unique capabilities. Some thrive in extreme environments, others in soil and water. They possess enzymes that break down complex pollutants. For example, bacteria can transform oil into carbon dioxide and water. Others detoxify heavy metals like lead and mercury. Microbes also restore ecosystem balance by improving soil health. They enhance nutrient cycling and promote plant growth. These unsung heroes keep our ecosystems functioning. Deep underground lie valuable metals like gold and copper. Traditional mining methods are harsh and energy-intensive. Bioleaching uses bacteria to extract metals sustainably. Chemolithotrophic bacteria break down minerals, releasing metals, is a key player in bioleaching. This method reduces environmental impact and chemical use. Imagine a natural sponge made from algae or bacteria. Biosorption uses these materials to absorb pollutants from water. Biosorbents act like natural filtration systems. Algal biomass can remove heavy metals from wastewater. This process is cost-effective and environmentally friendly. Biosorption showcases nature's ingenuity in solving pollution. Bioreactors are engineered systems for pollution-fighting microbes. They provide ideal conditions for breaking down contaminants. Bioreactors can treat industrial wastewater and contaminated soil. Anaerobic bioreactors produce biogas while cleaning wastewater. These systems optimize microbial activity for efficient cleanup. Bioreactors offer customizable solutions for a cleaner planet. The rhizosphere is a network of plant roots and microbes. Rhizo-remediation uses this partnership to clean contaminated soil. Hyperaccumulator plants absorb high concentrations of pollutants. Willows and poplars remediate petroleum hydrocarbons. This natural approach restores soil health. Rhizo-remediation combines plant and microbial power for cleanup. Bioremediation projects worldwide showcase nature's power. Contaminated rivers and oil-soaked deserts are being restored. Microorganisms help revive polluted waters and ecosystems. They consume excess nutrients, preventing harmful algal blooms. These success stories inspire hope for a cleaner planet. The Hudson River faced toxic PCB contamination. Traditional cleanup methods were too disruptive. Scientists used in situ bioremediation to stimulate bacteria. Nutrients and oxygen help bacteria break down PCBs. The Hudson River's recovery is a testament to bioremediation's power. Bioremediation tackles various pollution challenges. Oil spills threaten marine ecosystems, but microbes offer hope. Oil-degrading microbes break down hydrocarbons. Bioremediation also addresses industrial wastes like heavy metals. Microorganisms detoxify pollutants, showcasing their versatility. Life thrives in extreme environments, from poles to deserts. Extremophiles, like cold-loving microbes, clean up pollutants. Psychrophiles break down pollutants in freezing polar regions. These microbes offer hope for restoring fragile ecosystems. Scientists study their enzymes for bioremediation potential. Nature's smallest creatures tackle pollution in extreme conditions. The polar regions face growing pollution threats. Psychrophiles thrive in icy conditions, breaking down pollutants. These microbes act as tiny icebreakers, restoring balance. Scientists explore their potential for polar bioremediation. Their research offers hope for cleaner polar environments. Extremophiles thrive in deserts and deep oceans. Halophiles break down pollutants in arid environments. Piezophiles clean up deep-sea pollutants. Bioremediation enlists extremophiles for challenging environments. These microbes offer hope for a sustainable future. Nature's resilience inspires innovative pollution solutions. For decades, scientists have marveled at the ability of microorganisms to clean up our messes. These tiny creatures, often invisible to the naked eye, possess an incredible ability to break down pollutants, transforming harmful substances into harmless byproducts. Bioremediation, the process of using microorganisms to clean up contaminated environments, has emerged as a beacon of hope in our fight against pollution. But the story of bioremediation doesn't end there. As our understanding of microbiology and biotechnology deepens, we are entering a new frontier in environmental cleanup. Advanced innovations in bioremediation are pushing the boundaries of what's possible, offering even more effective and targeted solutions to some of our most pressing pollution challenges. Imagine a world where we can engineer microorganisms with enhanced abilities to break down even the toughest pollutants like microplastics and forever chemicals. Picture a future where we can deploy microbial communities tailored for specific cleanup tasks to restore contaminated environments with precision and efficiency. This is the promise of advanced bioremediation, a testament to human ingenuity and our growing partnership with the microbial world. This new wave of innovation is driven by breakthroughs in genetic engineering, synthetic biology, and nanotechnology. These cutting-edge technologies are empowering scientists to manipulate microorganisms and their enzymes with unprecedented precision, opening up a world of possibilities for environmental cleanup. CRISPR technology, a revolutionary gene editing tool, has taken the world by storm, transforming fields from medicine to agriculture. Now, this groundbreaking technology is poised to make its mark on environmental cleanup, offering a powerful new tool for enhancing bioremediation efforts. Imagine a world where we can precisely edit the genes of microorganisms, enhancing their natural abilities to break down pollutants with pinpoint accuracy. CRISPR acts like a pair of molecular scissors, allowing scientists to cut and paste DNA sequences with remarkable precision. This ability to edit the genetic code of microorganisms opens up exciting possibilities for bioremediation. Scientists can now introduce beneficial genes into microorganisms, enhancing their ability to break down specific pollutants that were previously difficult or impossible to remediate. For instance, researchers are exploring the use of CRISPR to engineer microorganisms that can degrade microplastics, tiny plastic particles that have become ubiquitous in our environment. These engineered microbes could potentially help us tackle the growing problem of plastic pollution, offering a sustainable solution to a global challenge. CRISPR technology also holds promise for breaking down persistent organic pollutants such as PFAS, often referred to as forever chemicals due to their resistance to degradation. These harmful chemicals used in a wide range of products have become a widespread environmental concern. By engineering microorganisms with enhanced PFAS degrading abilities, we may finally have a way to break down these persistent pollutants and mitigate their impact on human health and the environment. In the natural world, microorganisms rarely work alone. They form intricate communities known as biofilms, where they communicate, cooperate, and compete for resources. These microbial cities, often found on surfaces like rocks, pipes, and even teeth, are essential for nutrient cycling and other ecological processes. Scientists are now harnessing the power of biofilms for bioremediation, engineering synthetic biofilms with tailored functions for specific cleanup tasks. Imagine microbial communities designed to remove heavy metals from wastewater, break down oil spills, or even capture carbon dioxide from the atmosphere. These engineered biofilms offer several advantages over using single strains of microorganisms. Firstly, they can be designed to perform multiple functions simultaneously, such as breaking down different types of pollutants or enhancing the degradation process through synergistic interactions between different microbial species. Secondly, synthetic biofilms can be more resilient and adaptable to changing environmental conditions, making them suitable for a wider range of applications. This robustness is particularly valuable in challenging environments such as contaminated soil or industrial wastewater treatment plants, where conditions can fluctuate significantly. Enzymes are nature's tiny catalysts, accelerating chemical reactions that are essential for life. These remarkable proteins act like molecular machines, breaking down complex molecules, building new ones, and facilitating countless processes within living organisms. Scientists have long recognized the potential of enzymes for industrial applications, from food production to pharmaceuticals. Now, enzymes are taking center stage in bioremediation, offering a targeted and efficient approach to pollutant degradation. Instead of relying on whole microorganisms, which can be sensitive to environmental conditions, biocatalysts utilize isolated enzymes, often produced in large quantities using biotechnology. These purified enzymes can be applied directly to contaminated environments or incorporated into bioreactors for controlled pollutant degradation. Biocatalysts offer several advantages over traditional bioremediation methods. Firstly, they're highly specific, targeting only the desired pollutants without affecting other components of the environment. This precision is particularly important in sensitive ecosystems where broad-spectrum cleanup methods could have unintended consequences. When it comes to environmental cleanup, the costs can be staggering. Traditional methods often involve hefty price tags, draining resources. But what if we could clean up our planet while also saving money? That's the promise of bioremediation, a cost-effective approach using nature's tiniest helpers. Bioremediation often outcompetes traditional methods in cost-effectiveness. It utilizes microorganisms to break down pollutants, often with minimal human intervention. This translates into significant cost savings, making it attractive for governments and industries. Cleaning up contaminated soil using bioremediation can be significantly cheaper. It allows for in situ treatment, minimizing transportation and disposal costs. This approach also minimizes disruption to the surrounding environment. Bioremediation is good for the planet and the economy. As awareness of environmental challenges grows, bioremediation is creating jobs and driving innovation. This field attracts diverse talents, from microbiologists to entrepreneurs, all working to clean up our world. The growth of bioremediation is creating job opportunities, from research scientists developing new techniques to field technicians implementing these technologies. This sector is poised to become a significant source of employment. bioremediation is driving innovation, leading to new technologies, products and services. Startups are focusing on niche areas within bioremediation, such as developing novel biosensors for monitoring contamination or engineering microorganisms with enhanced pollutant degrading abilities. This innovation is attracting investment and pushing the boundaries of environmental cleanup. Governments recognize the economic potential of bioremediation, implementing policies to support its growth. Tax incentives, research grants, and public-private partnerships foster innovation. This supportive environment drives economic growth and job creation. Pollution is not just an environmental problem, it's a public health crisis. Exposure to harmful pollutants can lead to a wide range of diseases and health problems. Bioremediation removes these pollutants, protecting public health and creating a healthier future. Many pollutants, such as heavy metals and pesticides, are toxic to humans. Exposure can lead to respiratory diseases, cancer, and developmental problems. Bioremediation breaks down these pollutants, reducing the risk of human exposure. It can clean contaminated water sources, ensuring safe drinking water. This is crucial in developing countries where waterborne diseases are a major concern. Bioremediation purifies water sources, improving public health and reducing illnesses. It also restores contaminated land, making it safe for agriculture and recreation. By removing pollutants from the soil, it reduces the risk of these substances entering the food chain. Restoring land creates urban green spaces, promoting physical and mental well-being. As we've journeyed through the world of bioremediation, from its basic principles to its cutting-edge applications, one thing has become abundantly clear. Nature holds incredible power to heal itself. These tiny microorganisms, often unseen and underappreciated, are demonstrating their might as environmental superheroes, cleaning up our messes and offering hope for a healthier planet. Bioremediation isn't just a futuristic concept, it's a reality that's already making a difference around the world. We've seen how bioremediation is revitalizing polluted rivers, restoring contaminated industrial sites, and even tackling oil spills in some of the planet's most extreme environments. These success stories aren't just flukes, they're a testament to the ingenuity of scientists and engineers who are constantly pushing the boundaries of what's possible with bioremediation. But the story of bioremediation is far from over. As we delve deeper into the microbial world, unlocking the secrets of these tiny cleanup crews, we're discovering even more innovative ways to harness their power. Genetic engineering, synthetic biology, and nanotechnology are no longer confined to science fiction. They're tools that are revolutionizing the field of bioremediation, allowing us to tailor microorganisms for specific tasks with incredible precision. Imagine a future where plastic pollution is a distant memory, where contaminated land is restored to fertile ground, and where industrial waste is transformed into valuable resources. This is the promise of bioremediation, a sustainable solution that not only cleans up our planet, but also paves the way for a more circular economy, where waste is minimized and resources are used more efficiently. The challenges facing our planet are complex and interconnected. Climate change, pollution, and biodiversity loss demand urgent action, and bioremediation offers a powerful tool in our arsenal to address these interconnected crises. But the success of bioremediation hinges on collaboration, innovation, and a shared commitment to creating a healthier and more sustainable future for all. Scientists, engineers, policymakers, businesses, and communities all have a role to play in unlocking the full potential of bioremediation. Researchers continue to unravel the mysteries of the microbial world, identifying new microorganisms with unique abilities and developing innovative techniques to enhance bioremediation efforts. Engineers are designing and implementing bioremediation systems, scaling up these technologies to tackle pollution challenges on a larger scale. Policymakers play a crucial role in creating a supportive environment for bioremediation, implementing regulations that encourage sustainable practices and providing incentives for businesses to adopt bioremediation technologies. Businesses, in turn, are increasingly recognizing the economic and environmental benefits of bioremediation, integrating these technologies into their operations and investing in research and development. But perhaps the most important ingredient in this collaborative effort is public awareness and engagement. By understanding the power of bioremediation and supporting initiatives that promote its use, we can all contribute to creating a cleaner, healthier, and more sustainable future for generations to come. Together, let's unlock the full potential of bioremediation and harness the power of nature to heal our planet. Thank you for watching. This means a lot to me. For more content like this, subscribe to my YouTube channel at TJ Studies and Plays. It's free to do and it helps the best I can.